Hi friends, good morning. This is Umarani Purusothaman. I'll be continuing regarding the research. I think I told you lots about the different types and how we have to structure. And now today I thought I will share with you some very important information regarding measurement of scales. There are actually 4 types of scales: nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. Okay. So first I will tell you about the first 2 scales, which is called as nominal and ordinal. Okay. When framing the questionnaire and when doing analysis, these scales will be very helpful to you. Carefully listen to me, friends. Okay. First I will tell you nominal and ordinal scales. They are qualitative in nature. They are not giving you numbers. Okay, they are only qualitative in nature, where we study about the satisfaction and about how the gender wise they are good, like that. We are studying only about the qualitative characters we will be studying, and we are using here only non-parametric tools. When I say non-parametric tools, it relates to mean, median, mode and high square. All these will come here. Okay, that 2 things you have to definitely remember. And the third important thing is this nominal and ordinal. They are called as frequency variable, or they are called as categorical variable, because we classify into category, right? No, the gender means male, female, like that we are categorizing. Religion means Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jain, like that we are categorizing. So it is called as categorical variables. Okay, so normal scale, nominal scale, for example, I will give you gender, occupation, all that will come here. And here, as I told you, non-parametric tools will be used. For instance, occupation will be compared with, is there any relationship between the salary and the occupation? Like that, we can frame a hypothesis and do a high-square test, which is a non-parametric tool. Okay, and then in the case of ordinal, it will be in an order here. Okay, so here we try to find out the satisfaction level of the customers, or how the climate is, whether it is very chill or whether it is very hot, both extremes or medium, like that. We will be here also it is called as categorical only. Okay, so here maybe I want to buy a air conditioner, so I can give a questionnaire and ask them to do ranking between the different types of air conditioners, like Voltas and Samsung and Blue Star and Daikin, like that, Carrier, so many I will ask them to do. So ranking correlation also I can do here. So these are the 2 types of variable. Just have a look at the PPT here. I have given you, please be very careful. Nominal and ordinal scales are called as frequency variable or categorical variable, and they are qualitative in nature, and we are making use of non-parametric tools here. As I told you, in the nominal scales, we are comparing a relationship between the occupation and salary. Both of them are categorical in nature. That is why I given you the word C. So when both are C, variables are C, we are using high square test. Okay, and then comes ordinal, where it will be in order. And here also, we are finding out the satisfaction, climatic condition, happiness, all that. Here normally we will be using the Likert scale, and I am comparing relationship between the education and income group. Okay, so whether there is any relationship. So both are categorical in nature. So here also we are making use of high square test. Instance, maybe I can try to find out the relationship between the different type of satisfaction level among the TV. So where I will be making use of correlation tool, and I will give a questionnaire and find out the preferences. I hope you are clear about this nominal and ordinal scales. Please be very thorough about this basic. Only then you will know where to use high square and where to use ANOVA. All that stuff you should be very clear about it. And in question, when you are framing also, you must be very clear which is a nominal, which is ordinal, which is ratio, which is interval. With this I will wind up. I will tell you next about the next 2 type of scale.